3 simple gifts that your cat love. Cats are actually easy to please and enjoy simple pleasures. Boxes. Cats love to play and hide in boxes of all sizes, as they can use them as a place to nap, play, and scratch. You can even decorate the box with toys or treats to make it even more appealing to your cat. Bags. Cats love to hide and play in bags. Use safe bags, such as paper bags, avoiding those with handles or loose strings that could be a choking hazard. They enjoy the crinkling sound and the feeling of being enclosed in a small space. Window with sunbeams. It is a great gift for cats, as they love to bask in the warmth and watch birds and animals outside. It provides mental stimulation and entertainment for your cat, but make sure to securely fasten the window to prevent any accidents.